Hello, my name is swissbianco. I would like to show you the 84mm Victorinox alox lumberjack. This Swiss Army knife has a 84mm long aluminum handle. It has the standard blade, the combination tool and the wood saw. It is a really small and compact Swiss Army knife. It's really thin too. Unlike the bigger brother, the 93mm Farmer, which has essentially the same tools, this Swiss Army knife is much more compacted in the thickness. It also features different colors. We have the standard black Victorinox, the red, of course the silver. This is by far the most common color on this, and we did also some in multicolor anodizing, splash. This is a unique process that is hardanadised. There are different colors possible. The thickness is mainly with the aluminum scales. The 93mm scales are way thicker than the 84mm. So it's not only the sides of the length that is smaller, it's also the thickness.